We know somebody. I've got a relationship with Shane. Shane and I both work. Shane's like, okay, I'll get you in touch with Lindsay. And then at that point, you just get bounced around the company and nobody cares. And all you're doing is having ta-da moments, which, by the way, those are easy to have. Why? Most people are lazy as hell and they love to fill up their calendar with stuff. So they'll take a meeting and they'll sit there and listen to what you're saying, right? They'll turn their Zoom camera off. They'll listen to it because they just bought themselves 30 minutes, right? So it doesn't go skillfully. And then you just get bounced around. And then the really bad problem is then you meet with your leadership and your leadership is, how are things going with Questco? And you're like, I don't know, great, I've had 4 meetings with them. Like, cool, we'll put you down for 4 million in quota, right? 4 meetings, this is great, right? Nobody realizes you're just getting bounced around, okay? So when you, in terms of, like, let's say it's that first meeting with the person you know, just because you have a relationship, I want you to hold that off to the side, right? Will, man, hey, dude, haven't talked to you in a long time. Me too, man, hope all's going well. Hey, the reason why I wanted to reach out to you was, there is something going on that every CIO is having to deal with. I mean, we're seeing it. I thought of you, the last 10 conversations, like I kept thinking of you because I know you're in that position as well. I wanted to make sure you were aware of it, right? Oh yeah, what's going on? Bop, 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 bop. Go through your course too, your ECCP, Easton Cold Calling and Prospecting. It doesn't have to be mutually exclusive to a cold call. But you have to realize these people you have a relationship with are prospects, and we have to prospect them properly, right? And that's not, can I show you my stuff? Now, let's say you probably won't get bounced around because you've talked about an issue, but let's say you still get bounced around. I want you to, as you get bounced around with maintenance, come up with, man, add some value, bring something. There's something I wanted to make sure you were aware of, right? If you have nothing and you're like, I don't even know why I was sent to maintenance, right? We need to talk about what happened in the other conversation when you got there. But then, hey, Will Curtright wanted me to reach out to you. What's the most important thing that we need to accomplish, right? Like, again, we got to stop with us talking about ourselves and then that weird, awkward silence afterwards. It's like, so what do you think, right? Like, we should never, if we're skillful in sales, we should never, ever be in a position to say, so what do you think? It should be, how are you dealing with that? Or because of the fact that you said blank, I'd like to recommend this. So I think with all of these, come up with an insight that you can bring up and try starting the conversation that way. I totally understand the frustration that you're in. You just have to realize, one, it's your process, but also two, corporations love to have meetings to just fill up white space in their calendar. You work in sales and I'm going to give you $300. I'm not kidding. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective coaching in the world for sales professionals like you. And right here, right now, for a few of you, I'm going to pay the $300 for you to get the closing mini masterclass. You're going to close more. You're going to have more fun. You're going to get a lot more done in your career. Click the link right here, right now. I will give you my closing mini masterclass for free. I'm covering the $300 cost. Click now. I'll see you on the other side.